special phone. You won't be able to ignore me anymore. Put a Frutella candy into a microwave for a few seconds. Roll it out and cut off the edges, shaping a rectangle. Wrap it into a package with an iPhone image on it. Redhead is finally done with her call. She puts her phone down and I quickly swap her phone for a mini replica. Achoo! What is it? A microchip? A phone for dwarfs? This is what we call nanotechnologies. But there's a candy instead of a chip set inside. I give the phone back to my friend, but she doesn't care about it anymore because she has an iPhone now, even though it's tiny. Betty is looking for her flash stick with her favorite movie. It's not the first one, and not the second one either. At last, she finds what she needs. And by the way, a flash stick with a swivel cap is a great idea for an unusual snack. Cover a carton of chips with foam plastic sheets. Cover the bottom too. Decorate foam plastic with a foam rubber sheet. Cut out 4 round buttons from a thicker foam rubber sheet. Join the two with double-sided tape. Attach the double buttons to both sides of the memory stick. Take a long and wide strip of thick paper and cut out holes to be of the same size as the buttons. Round the corners. Put the strip onto the buttons as a swivel cap. I turn my small flash drive into a huge gadget, and there's my favorite snack inside, crunchy chips. I can arrange a creative snack while watching the movie. The girls are getting ready for a party. They are using a big makeup set and bright accessories. All of a sudden, Redhead notices a teeny watch among her shining rings. Cut a thin strip off a chewing gum stick. Cut a small rectangle out of the remaining part. Trim up the corners. Paint the strip with food coloring. This is a watch strap. Attach the square dial with edible glue. Cover the dial with black food coloring. Make a silver frame using silver food coloring. Prick holes in the strap with a toothpick. Draw a buckle with food coloring. Add details to the dial. Redhead immediately takes off the glamorous rings and puts on a creative miniature smartwatch on her finger. None of my friends will have such a ring for sure, but it is made of chewing gum. Okay then, I won't boast about it. I'd rather eat it before the chewing gum gets bad. Cindy's listening to music. Her earphones are plugged into a giant MP3 player, but it turns out that it's not just a music player. It has crunchy cornflakes inside. Cover a box of breakfast cereal with acrylic paint. Double tape a printed screen. Attach a click wheel. Fasten a black circle to the side panel. This is an earphone connector. Attach a black rectangle to the other side. This is a USB plug. This music player is so handy. 2 in 1, both music and breakfast. Oh, I'm so bored! The books are read, the games are played, and my friends are running errands. So I am facing an eternal problem. What to do? I've got an idea. I draw funny faces on my fingers. They are 2 brothers, Millie and Vanilli, and I put tiny headphones on them so that they have fun. Use a heated knife to cut a protecting ring out of a Coca-Cola bottle top. Cut off the excess. Take 2 red gummy candies out of a Haribo package. Put them onto the ends of the cutout plastic ring. Dip a cap into black food coloring. Make an imprint on the headphones. Add details using a toothpick and the same food coloring. Hi guys! Ciao, music fans! Millie and Vanilli keep dancing to the music beat, but all good things come to an end eventually. So does the music. I take off the headphones and eat a candy. Bye, Millie and Vanilli! Did you like our edible gadget and device ideas? Then write in your comments which of them you are going to make, giant or miniature ones. And don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so that you don't miss new creative ideas on the Troom Troom channel.